It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. At the beginning of episode 10, we are given a glimpse of the time when Ah-jung and Lee Do-han were in school. The two of them are seen having a drink and talking with each other. It is quite evident that Ah-jung acted as if she were Lee Do-han's partner in order to hide his sexual preference. When he shows concern, she tells Lee Do-han that she places a lot of importance on friendship. Then, back to the previous episode. After discovering Ah-jung was aware of Lee Do-han's sexual orientation and that the two of them intended to stage a fake marriage, Lee Ji-han is experiencing a great deal of distress. As a consequence of this, he confronts the two of them and eventually leaves, feeling frustrated with the situation. Lee Do-han still tries to convince Ah-jung to rethink their fake marriage. Lee Do-han is desperate to hide his secret from the world. However, Ah-jung tells him that she won't be able to continue this fake relationship. She clearly states that she has feelings for Lee Ji-han. Lee Ji-han feels betrayed and quite upset. Lee Ji-han is seen avoiding Ah-jung's calls and messages for the next several days. He decides to stop talking to Ah-jung. She even pays a visit to his workplace and asks him if he's going to end the relationship. Attempting to make him understand the circumstances, Ah-jung follows him in an effort to get his attention. Nevertheless, he does not give her any kind of response. However, he leaves regardless of this. Meanwhile, Ah-jung is in grave emotional pain as she is worried that Lee Ji-han won't come back to her again. Later that night, Ah-jung and Yoon Chae-won are seen getting drunk together. She inquires as to whether or not she is actually in love with Lee Ji-han. Immediately after this, she freely admits that she has feelings for Lee Ji-han. Afterward, Yoon Chae-won inquires about her intentions with Lee Do-han by asking her questions. She then goes on to tell her that she will protect him as well. On the other hand, Lee Ji-han finally decides to talk to his brother Lee Do-han. Lee Do-han tells Lee Ji-han that he needs to get married to Ah-jung or his secret will get out. After that, he goes on to tell him that Choi Sung-ha has photographs showing Lee Ji-han and Ah-jung getting quite close to each other. But Lee Ji-han asks him to think about others' happiness and safety. He also asks Lee Do-han to let go of Ah-jung. Ah-jung calls Lee Ji-han in a drunk state. Lee Ji-han is worried and he arrives at the park in a hurry to help her. She then tells him that she kept Lee Do-han's secret from him because it was not her secret to tell. The two of them are then seen in spending quality time together. The following morning, Ah-jung wakes up in Lee Ji-han's home. He then assures her that everything is fine between them. It is evident that they have deeply fallen for each other. Lee Ji-han pays a visit to Choi Sung-ha's office. He asks her to hide the photographs from others. After that, he tells her that he and Lee Do-han do not intend to inherit the company and that if she keeps the secret safe, she will have complete ownership to it. However, Choi Sung-ha overhears her grandfather having no intention of trusting her with the company. Afterward, she confronts him about this matter and he tells her that the company will never be hers since she is so greedy. Following this, Choi Sung-ha spreads the news of Lee Ji-han and Ah-jung's romantic involvement in the media. It creates a massive scandal. The news reporters start to hover Ah-jung's place. Everyone starts to blame her, thinking that she has intentionally made both brothers of LJ Group fall for her. When her mother finds out her relationship with Lee Ji-han, she also lashes out her. Thus, Ah-jung is in great distress. Later that night, Lee Ji-han and Na Ah-jung meet at the park. The two of them are seen sharing some quality time. It is during their meeting that Lee Ji-han implies that they might not be together in the future because he does not want her reputation to be ruined. At the end of the episode, Lee Do-han gaining courage and finally deciding to take responsibility for his actions. He decides to appear in a press conference and reveal the truth. However, when he arrives for the conference, he sees that only his grandfather is waiting for him there. Additionally, it seems like his grandfather has been aware of his secret the entire time and is embarrassed by it. Meanwhile, Lee Ji-han is seen addressing the scandal publicly. He continues by stating that he was the one who was pursuing Na Ah-jung. He also claims that she was not interested in him. Lee Ji-han takes all the blame upon himself to protect his brother's secret and Na Ah-jung. The episode comes to a close with Na Ah-jung watching the press conference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.